Okay, so hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 oracle messages for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from today till the 31st of May 2026. Keep in mind these are general messages, they might or might not resonate. If they do, good. If they don't worry about it, just let it be. And for personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. Keep that in mind that these are recorded courses. And I'm going to conduct a 7 days 7 Osho meditation live event from 5th till the 11th of June 2026. The link is given below for the same. It's going to be a life changing event. You are going to learn 7 different meditations of Osho, and how they're totally different from the others, and how they're going to change your life if done correctly. It's going to be a lot of dancing, a lot of laughing, maybe a lot of breath work, and it's definitely going to help you a lot to reduce your stress, reduce your anxiety, and be in the present moment as much as you can. It's going to be so much fun. I can't tell you in words. You can check it out for yourself when you're going to do that. The price for Indians is 3500, and for others it's 125 USD, so it's not that much. It's actually cheap if you look for it. Like, if you think about it, it's 500 per session per day. So yeah, let's move on to the reading. Pisces, overall energy for Pisces people for this week. So I have the Queen of Gabriel. You can do anything right now. You guys are going to have the passion, the energy, the what we can say, the enthusiasm to achieve anything that you want to achieve in your life right now. Go after what you want. I think we are talking about job, career, finances here, or your personal goals. Maybe not a person, maybe not stalking somebody if they don't want to be with you, right? The ability to attract helpful people. You guys will be able to attract helpful people if your intention is pure, if your energies are pure. You guys will be able to attract helpful and positive people around you naturally and organically, without chasing them, without asking for it. 25th, we have the Two of Gabriel. Make bold and ambitious choices. Great progress is possible. Important relationship with people who share your vision. So you guys have to make the bold and ambitious choices. You guys don't have to worry about what society is going to say, what other people are going to say. Just make the bold and ambitious choices from your side. Great progress is possible only when you guys are going to do that, and you guys will be able to connect with people who share your kind of vision and your kind of energy and passion. Okay, only when you guys will be able to make the choice and decision, stick to that and work on that. 26, we have the Star. A dream come true. Believe in yourself. The end of a difficult situation. A dream can come true, Pisces, only if you guys are going to believe in yourself and take the inspired action from your side. End of a difficult situation is also possible if you are going to do whatever it takes to end a situation for good. Okay, 27th, we have the Five of Gabriel. A challenge you can resolve. There is going to be a challenge that the universe is going to throw at you, and you guys will be able to resolve it properly. Withdraw from the drama of others. You guys have to withdraw from the drama of others for sure. Don't be a part of any kind of drama, whether it's like directly related to you or not, and especially if it is not your personally, just stay away. Have patience with yourself and those around you. A lot of patience is required for you guys in order to maintain the peace that you want to have in your life, right? With yourself first of all, and then people around you, especially if you guys are irritable right now, or your mood swings are happening. So try to be calm and patient, because you might get angry or frustrated on other people and it might backfire. 28, we have the Five of Michael. This situation doesn't serve you. Something is not serving you anymore. Something or someone or some situation is not serving you anymore. Even if you are trying to attach yourself continuously to the situation, that's done. Release your attachment to the outcome, and you might be very attached to some kind of outcome in a particular direction. The more you are going to attach yourself to the outcome, the more it's going to be delayed, and maybe it will never happen. So releasing your attachment to the outcome is a proper way to get what you really want in your life. Consider taking a more uplifting approach. Consider taking a more positive and uplifting approach in a particular direction, so that you can get what you want in a proper and positive way. Okay, so we have 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, we have the Seven of Raphael. Time to make a decision. The time has come for you guys to make a proper choice or decision in a particular direction. Now you cannot delay it further on. Now you have to make the choice or decision. Be clear on what you want and take action. Be very clear about what you really want in a particular situation, and then take the action accordingly. A need for detoxification, whether it's personal, or whether it's like personal in the sense whether it's physical, mental, emotional, or digital or spiritual maybe. So need of detoxification is there. Maybe go for a retreat or something for 1 day or 2 day if you don't have time more than that. 30th, we have the change your life, a sudden revelation that offers freedom. Something is going to be revealed to you, whether it's going to be positive or negative, I really don't have any idea, but that is definitely going to offer you the freedom, the kind of freedom that you want and deserve in your life, so that you can move to the next chapter. Break free from break free of procrastination. If you're continuously procrastinating or delaying things in a particular situation, don't do that, especially if it is something that you need to be doing on a particular day, on a particular situation. Please do that as soon as possible, because it's going to be difficult to deal with afterwards. Embrace the opportunities that change brings. Now you guys might be very much in this energy of resisting the changes. Don't do that. Embrace the opportunities that change brings, because change is the only constant, Pisces, and you cannot get yourself fixed, or nothing is permanent in this life. Okay, not any person, not any situation, nothing, no one, nothing, right? 31st, we have the page of Ariel. An excellent opportunity will be offered to you. Something really beautiful is going to be offered to you. Scholarships or the pursuit of education is also going to be there. Maybe you guys will be able to get some kind of scholarship or some kind of education that you want, or some kind of yeah, training that you want. This is a good day to apply for that. Time to get to work. So time to get to work, which means like if you're procrastinating something, if you're delaying something that is directly or indirectly related to your work, start going in that direction, and don't delay it further on. Okay, 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, we are done. Let's see the guidance here for you guys for this week. I'm so fucking tired. We have the Chariot. Determination and self-control is going to help you guys in achieving something really, really good in this week. Career advancement is also possible. I think the more you are going to delay something, the more it's going to be difficult for you guys to get the advancement that you're looking forward to have. So don't delay the important things. Okay, an acknowledgement of success by others. Other people are also going to be inspired by you. Other people are also going to be acknowledging your success, the way you are going to handle your life and your situation in your life. So good for you. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. And what else, don't forget to check out the 7-day 7 Osho meditation link, and I'll see you on the other side. I'm very excited for this one. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye, may existence bless you. Namaste.